Are you tired of the install hassles between flutes on steel decks? Our FSB flute span bracket for our SDI steel deck inserts is the game changer you've been waiting for. The FSB flute span bracket allows inserts to be installed on the side of flutes, ensuring accurate installation on BIM 3D model projects. Virtually eliminates field adjustment of prefabricated trapezes, and the flute span bracket allow inserts to achieve the same high values as when installed on the upper flute. Blue Banger Hanger didn't just stop at making the best inserts. We created a set of install tools, poles, and accessories to make your life even easier and ease the wear and tear on your body experienced with typical installs. All Blue Banger Hanger products are OSHPD pre-approved, ICC and FM approved, UL listed, and available Buy American Act compliant upon request. Reduce your labor costs and inventory, increase your project flexibility, and improve the integrity of your support systems with Blue Banger Hanger.